Audiko. Check out the Audiko app to get some fantastic tones, notification sounds, and alarm tones. Ringtones are available in many genres such as pop, party, hip-hop, classical, rock, rap, etc. Apart from downloading ringtones, users can also use the app to create ringtones from the existing music files in the library with the built-in ringtone editor. Furthermore, users can connect to Play Music to create custom tones from the Google Music library. In recent updates, the developer added a subscription model that allows downloading an unlimited number of higher quality ringtones. Thank you for watching this video.